Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we have a Skoda Superb 2017 MQB system. Unfortunately, I tried to read the clocks with the adapter, but it wouldn't work. I don't know why, from some reasons. So what I'm gonna try now is I will try to cut the resistor from the board as it's showing me on VVDI Prog. And I'll try to use again the adapters. Let's see if that's gonna work. So we need to remove the needles and everything from the clocks, and on the other side, on where the screen is, you're gonna find this resistor. You need to cut this resistor, and then I'll try again with the adapter to see if it's working. And if it's working, it will be perfect. If don't, I will need to start to solder the wires on the board. So let's start working. There it is, it's right here. Yeah, so hopefully you can see. Try to move a little bit. Okay, so it's this one. Come on. Okay. Yeah, it's right here. I'll check with my multimeter to see if we still have connection. Okay. Okay. You need to cut a little bit more deep. Looks like it's okay now, but let's check. No, so we still have connection. I think it's a little bit more on the right here. Perfect, so no connection now. All good. Okay, let's take the adapter. I'm gonna use MQB 3526 adapter B. Okay. Here, MQB read adapter. Okay, we have connection diagram here. Looks like it's this one. It's just a little bit different, but let's hope it's gonna work. So oh, wait a second. I need to fit back the panel. feedback because we need where is like this. I need one more time. Wait a second. I need to put the screen back as well. Okay. So we need this point, and this is gonna, if you follow this point, you'll know exactly how to put the adapter, because the D1 and D4, it has to come on the white points right here. Okay, let's check if the pins are making a good connection. Looks like it's okay. Here is just a little bit. Yeah, it's okay now. All good. Here is okay now. Yes, well done. Let's check, see if it's working. VVDI. We need a red cable. Then we need a 3 volt. Yeah, as I show you in the last videos, 3.3 volts from VVDI. Go to FLMD0. 12 volts from 2 different sources, one in the adapter, one in the VVDI2, VVDI Prog. Okay, looks like all done. Let's try to read it. Let's see if that's gonna work. If it's not gonna work, as I said, we're gonna try to solder the wires. Yeah, looks like it's not gonna work. Let's try one more time, but I don't believe it's gonna work. Wait. Yes. Okay, so yeah, the only way is to try to start to solder the wires. Okay, let's do that. I don't know why, from some reason this one is not working. I try, the Volkswagen Polo is working, Volkswagen Golf is working, but on this one I don't know, it's not working. I need to search, I need to buy some clocks like this from the scrapyard and then try at home to find the solution to use the adapter. We have the cable here, from the VVDI Prog. Okay, let's follow the diagram. Read by welding. Okay, connection diagram. We're gonna choose the second photo, the one that we cut the wire, and we need where is the cable? It's right here. MCU reflash cable. It's perfect. And we're looking for the purple wire. It's this one. This is the first pin I'm gonna start to do soldering, because you have to solder on the other side of the board. So you go through the hole here, then you start soldering. Let me use my microscope. Perfect. Let's find the position and let's adjust the screen. Perfect. One of the purple wire has to come here. We need to seal it right here. Perfect. Looks like it's okay. Turn upside down the board. Okay, we have the ground and the VCC next one. This is one of the ground. I need to seal it right here on this on the yellow parts. not the best, but it's making a good touch. It's very hard to record at the same time and seal the wires. Okay, now we need a VCC. It's the second one, perfect. And yellow, the next one. Okay, let's continue with the blue one. last one is the orange, and it's gonna come on this side. And where it is right here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're all done now. Sorry it takes so long. I want to make the video boring, but it's very hard to filming with my camera on my left, trying to sort. But I'm trying. I'm trying to show you all the steps to know exactly how to do it, and make sure you seal correctly on the board. Just count the pins number, and then you see where it is. For example, mine here. Let me show you closer. I'm gonna try to remove this wire. Okay, so come on. Yeah. Okay, so for example, it's right here. I count on the VVDI Prog because I have the picture there. It shows here, but to make sure that you're going to the right pin, you just follow the wire, see where it's stopping, and then you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is my wire. That's perfect. Let's connect now 12 volts. Let's try to reading. Let's see if I've done a good job or not. Okay, sorry I interrupt the video for a second. I just arranged the wires here and everything. Okay, you have to connect 12 volts power on your VVDI Prog. Then let's press read. Let's see what's gonna happen. Initialization is success. It's trying the frequency. It found the frequency of the chip. In the next few seconds, it's gonna start reading the information from the chip. Again, this is not the Immo data. I think you need to pay a subscription for the VVDI. I think it's about $200, $150, and you can convert the information, read it from the clocks as the Immo data. You don't have to do basically so many things. You just need to have connection, upload the Immo data into the VVDI Prog. I will show you in a second, and then you need to get the sync data as a third party. And I will also, at the end of the video, I will leave a phone number that you can contact this guy by WhatsApp. He's gonna give you the sync data so quick. It's taking about 10 minutes to 45 minutes. It depends on the car, depends how busy it is, and yeah, you can pay him by PayPal, I don't know. You will you have to talk to him. Okay, so it's trying 33%. Yes, so it just started reading. It's right here, it's 1%. It's gonna take about 10 minutes to read the information. Okay guys, so I read the information from the clocks. I'm gonna save it. Don't change the name, just leave it like that. Save it on the desktop. It's saved now. We don't need a VVDI anymore. Now we can close it, then open your VVDI2, go to Keylearn, go to MQB Platform Instrument Immobilizer, instrument with locked neck 35XX. Perfect. Again, make sure you have an internet connection. Perfect. Press decode Immo data, then press yes, and then upload the information that you have been read from the clocks. Wait a few seconds, and VVDI is gonna give you the Immo data. Okay, let's press save. I'm gonna save as Immo data Skoda Superb 2017. I'll save it on my desktop. Perfect. Now we need to remove the wires from the board. Try to focus on the clocks here. Okay. Perfect. Okay, first thing now, we need to make the circuit back as it was. have a look. Yeah, looks okay.
Perfect, guys. I'm back with the Skoda Superb car with all keys lost. Now we need to collect the data from the instrument clusters and from the engine. Sorry for the mess here. The car has been stolen here. The car has been stolen 1 year ago and recovered by the police. Okay, so again, as I show you, go on the diagnostic unit. We're gonna go on instrument clusters, customer request, and I have two folders right here. One is with the instrument code and one is the engine collect. We're gonna collect the instrument. I'm just gonna copy and paste. We need to do it one by one. Paste, okay. Then paste again. Okay, perfect. Let's save it in instrument collect. Perfect. We'll save it on the desktop. We'll close the instrument form. I'm gonna open the engine collect. We can close this window, exit. Let's go now on engine. Same as the instruments, customer request. Then go on copy and paste all these codes. Oh shit, don't save. Let's try again. Done a mistake. Copy and paste. Perfect. Let's save it as engine data. Engine collect. Perfect. Let's save it on the desktop. We can now close this and this one. Here we have a manual gearbox, but if you have an automatic gearbox, you have to collect as well the gearbox. You need to go on the gearbox on diagnostic, and you have to collect the same codes as the engine collect. Perfect. Now we can send the Immo data to the guy. We have to send both folders that we collect, the engine and the instrument clocks, and then we have to wait for the synchronized data. And by the way, about the ignition, this is HU162 9 cut. You can use a leashy to pick the lock and then to replace it. For me, it was easier like this because the car has been stolen and need to change the ignition and the door lock as well. And yeah, okay, I will send the data to the guy and I will get back to you as soon as I have it. Perfect, guys. I just got the sync data. Let's go on the key learn. We're gonna go on the key learn, and right here it's MQB immobilizer data. Perfect. Let's prepare the dealer key. Load Immo data. We're gonna load the Immo data that we just read. We're gonna select the Skoda. Perfect. All kilos, you should have a sync. Yes, we have. Upload the sync data. Open. keys in the programmer, press OK, it's complete. Put the key in the ignition now, ignition on. Let's add the key, only one key. Immobilizer data, Skoda Superb, perfect. Next is the car keyless no. Start learning. It will show us in the screen, in the dashboard, key 0.1, 0 by 1 and 1 by 1. It's all done. Then again, make sure you press OK. Perfect. Start learning. All keys successfully learned. Okay, now we can take off the ignition, put it again. I'll try to start the engine. I'm not sure if it's gonna start because we have, yeah, I need to connect my jump leads, but 100% the car will start. Let's see if the remote is working. Yeah, it's perfectly working. I need to connect the jump leads from my van to start the engine. Okay, and as I promised you, I will show you the phone number to the guy that you can buy the synchronized data. It's this guy on WhatsApp. I'm gonna try to focus on my phone. Gonna come here inside of the car. Come on. Okay, so this is the guy. And this is his phone number. It's right here. You can contact him anytime, and he's a very good guy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope I was helpful for you. And if you like the video, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and if you have any question, you can leave a comment. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.